50 years on, why haven't humans been back to the moon? What are the actual reasons behind humans not going to moon again? Let us know this deeply in this video.
Go there, Capcom on the hot spiral. Okay, all flight controllers going around the horn. Gonna go for undocking. Okay, retro, go. Vital, go. Guide, go. Control, go. Telcom, go. Jinsei, go. Econ, go. Surgeon, go. Capcom, we're go for undocking.
Armstrong, Aldrin, and Collins arrived at the moon on Saturday, July 19th.
The last footprint left on the moon was on December 14th, 1972, and now it has been 50 years that humans haven't explored the moon. So, the question arises that why haven't they sent humans back to the moon yet? There are few primary causes behind this scenario. First of all, the cause is money. According to NASA, the US government spent a total of $23.6 billion on manned spaceflight from 1959 to 1973, which now would be valued at $116 billion. Now, if US decides to send their US astronauts back to the moon again, then they would cost about $20 to $30 billion per space flight. The second cause is shifting priorities. After the US successfully landed astronauts on the moon, the focus of space exploration shifted towards other objectives. The Apollo program was primarily a Cold War competition with the Soviet Union, and once the US achieved its goal of reaching the moon, public interest decreased and funding for other lunar missions was reduced. The third is the lack of political will. The decision to undertake ambitious space missions, such as returning to the moon, ultimately rests within the political leader. Since the Apollo program, there has not been sustained political will on agreement to fund and prioritize human missions beyond Earth. The focus has shifted to other areas such as development of the International Space Station and unmanned space exploration. Fourth is the technological challenges. While humans have made significant advancement in space technology, returning to the moon and establishing a sustained presence, there presents various technical challenges. These include developing advanced propulsion systems, life support systems for long duration missions, lunar surface habitation, and resources utilization. Overcoming these challenges requires substantial research, development, and testing. Now the question arises that will humans be back on the moon? The answer is yes. Humans are expected to return to the moon surface in the near future. NASA, through its Artemis program, aims to land astronauts on the lunar surface by 2024. In addition to NASA, other countries such as China and Russia have expressed their intentions to send humans back to the moon. Furthermore, private companies like SpaceX, Blue Origin, and others have announced their own plans for lunar explorations and eventual human missions.